The food processor is one of the most common small kitchen appliances. The machines come in various sizes and shapes. In addition to simply cooking and preparing food, they can also be used to cut, grate, and mix ingredients. This type of appliance is very useful for preparing a variety of meals, especially if you feel like having an interesting recipe. But finding the best food processor can be quite difficult, so we made a list of the 6 best food processors on the market today.
Introducing the new Bellini Kitchen Master by Cedar Lane Culinary. The Bellini Kitchen Master is an 8-in-1 appliance that can do everything a high-powered blender can do and so much more. You can chop, mix, mince, whip, and blend. What makes the Bellini Kitchen Master groundbreaking is that you can also cook, saute, and steam with it, allowing you to cook entire meals with just one machine. With the new Bellini Kitchen Master, the machine does all the work for you. You just add your favorite ingredients, adjust the settings, and walk away. The Bellini comes with everything you need to transform your kitchen into the ultimate hands-free cooking experience. You get your own state-of-the-art digital portion kitchen scale, a 2-liter stainless steel bowl, 2 heat-resistant steaming trays, a mixing tool, 1 spatula, 1 cooking basket, a built-in measuring cup, and stainless steel chopping and mixing blades. The Bellini's 800-watt motor makes quick work of even the hardest root vegetables, and easily crushes ice for perfect smoothies in seconds. The Bellini Kitchen Master has a 1,000-watt heating element with 8 precise temperature settings. Whether you're creating a perfect holiday sauce or cooking your vegetables while simultaneously steaming the fish, the Bellini Kitchen Master does it all. Changing or removing the blades is so simple that it gives you the ability to chop and blend in seconds. The easy-to-use control panel allows you to plug in the time, adjust your speed settings, set any temperature you desire. It starts and you're ready to go. You can also use the pulse function for quickly crushing ice or shredding hard cheeses. This digital portion kitchen scale is the perfect partner for any kitchen and gives you the control to switch effortlessly between grams, ounces, pounds, and kilograms. What sets the Bellini Kitchen Master apart from lesser food processors is the precision heating component and the fact that it conducts 8 functions all in one machine. It truly gives you the freedom to do something else while the Bellini does all the cooking and stirring for you. Best of all, there is zero cleanup. Just add water and dish soap. Set your Bellini to 100 Celsius and voila! Spotless in seconds. The Bellini Kitchen Master gives you the control to have a real confidence in your cooking and your kitchen. With over 70 recipes included, all with easy-to-follow instructions, you can attempt those silky soups, velvety custards, and complex sauces with dish-like results every single time. There's never been a better time to experience the world of the Bellini Kitchen Master.
以10分40摄氏度正转400码。烹饪完成，请享用。
Your cooking way will change. MyCook Touch, the smart kitchen robot that guides you step by step with Wi-Fi multi-devices communication and unlimited recipes. Taurus, smart cooking.
Welcome to the world of Smart Kitchen. Full set of kitchen robot includes one body, one cooking jar, one steamer set, one filter basket, 3 blades, one butterfly, one spatula. Definitely enough to feed a family, no matter Western or Eastern kind of food cooking. Robot must link to Wi-Fi firstly before start to use app. There's thousands of recipes from worldwide on cloud. Each recipe has all ingredients and details and all the operating setting for a robot. Even you are totally new to kitchen, you still can make nice tasty dish to show off. You need to choose right blade or accessories for cooking. It is very easy to change blades. Take the jar off, then rotate the back plate. Sauté blade is for sautéing, quite popular in Eastern kind recipes. Kneading blade is specially designed for human hand simulation, no matter for bread, cake, or dumpling. Chopping blade is for multiple purpose, like crush, smoothie, grind. It can handle many jobs with very high efficiency. Butterfly stud is very easy to install. Just plug in. It can use to whip cream. Also, it can prevent food from getting overburnt. Filter basket is designed for food laundry, also a filter when making the juice. Independent scale provides precise weight control up to 5 kg, up to 5 kilograms. The steamer set allow you to make 3 dishes at one time. You don't have to learn. Follow the kitchen idea robot. You will be a super chef.